All right, good morning, 604. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm good.
Good morning to the following people that decided to show up today on Monday, May 10th on time. Good morning to Abigail, Maria, Emmanuel. Good morning to Emma. Good morning to Boris. Good morning to Liana. Good morning to Remeses, Adam, and Caleb. You folks have made it on time. Thank you for showing up to this class at 10:10. Appreciate you. Okay, so today we are going to review the distributive property using the box method. You'll be responsible to turn in your independent practice and your notes today. That is all you're responsible for, two things: independent notes, and then if you finish all that, you have IREADY to complete. Reminder, if you weren't informed last week or this morning, you have parent-teacher conferences on Wednesday from 9 to 12 and 1 to 3. And then you have family teacher conferences again on Thursday from 12 to 4 and 5 to 7. On Friday, we have career day. So a career day would be half of a day. It would kind of be similar to like when we did the poetry slam. You will be expected to attend. With that said, on Friday, we will be holding not a review session, it'll be like office hours. So what that means is for students that are not doing so great or they're missing work, the link will be provided to you all and you will be expected to attend, especially if you have below an 80 in the class. You'll be asked to attend right now. So you'll be asked to come on Friday regardless to do your IREADY. When you finish your IREADY, then you're going to be free to go. We're holding it at 8:45, I think Mr. R and I said. So if you have all your IREADY and you come in, we confirm that, and then you carry out with the rest of your day until we have career day on Friday. Does that make sense? Anyone have any questions? So we're only going to see you today and tomorrow, but we're going to put up an assignment later on today that's going to be due by Friday morning. So if you struggle with it or if you need help, Friday morning at 8:45 is a good time for you all to come to get the help you need. And if you're missing work, since we don't have class, we'll let you make it up. Only the note part, though. That's the only thing you can make up, and your IREADY. Are we clear?
I hope you guys are paying attention. Adam, do me a favor, man. Can you get up? I know it's Monday morning. I don't like seeing people too laid back because then you guys don't do your notes and do a lot of things that we're expecting you to do. Like last class, we ran a little bit over time because people weren't so eager to do their work on time.
All right, well.
That will not happen to me this one. So, that being said, Ms. Canelo, we need somebody to do learning target and screenshot.
So I think Liana wants to do one. Liana, what do you want to do?
What you guys want to do, write it down in the chat. That's what you guys want to do best.
Okay, Maria, you want to do something, Maria? What do you want to do, Maria?
Good morning, Emmanuel.
Juliana, sorry, Juliana, you had your hand up. What do you want to do? I know you're having trouble logging in and out.
I think that she's saying that she's in the car and she won't be able to do much today.
No problem. Yeah, because I saw she was having trouble logging in and out. So we got you, Maria. Don't worry. All right. So Liana going to do screenshots, and Natalie, you want to read the learning target? Okay, Natalie, that's you.
Ms. Canelo, just to give you a little heads up, breakout rooms are open.
Okay.
And I don't see nothing.
Let's try again. How about now?
No. Am I the only one that's seeing this? I see a blue strip line. That's all I see.
I see a strip.
I see a black screen.
Yeah.
How about now?
There it is.
I see a
Okay, let's get started. Monday, May 10th, 2021, Standard 6EE3 and 6EE4. Natalie, can you try to read this learning target for us?
I can create equivalent expressions by using the distributive property. Lesson notes. Today we will receive how to create equivalent expressions using the distributive property box method. Do I read the rest?
Yes.
Important vocabulary words. Expression, a mathematic phrase that contains operation numbers and variables. evaluate to figure out to find the to find the answer, to solve commutative property of recording the terms does not change the value of expressions, switch the numbers around and still get the same sum. Distributive property, multiply the outside terms by each term in the parentheses, like terms, two or more variables, expressions that have the same variable, add or subtract the same variable.
All right, so we're going to review the box method, which I'm sure you all remember. Real quick, apples and bananas are both the fruit, right? Natalie, apples and bananas are fruit, but are they the same fruit?
No.
No, so can we add them together?
No.
No, we call that an unlike term. There are 5 apples, or 5A, plus 3 bananas. So we leave it as 5A plus 3B because they have a different variable. They're unlike. All right, use the word bank to answer the following questions. Write the correct word on the line. Now, Leanna Sanchez.
All right. So, A, it says a mathematical phrase that contains operations, numbers, and or variables is called an expression. Okay, B says when we figure out, find the answer, or solve a problem, this is called evaluating. One way to solve expressions is to use the box method. We use the box method because we are using the distributive property, which ideally means we are multiplying the outside term by each term in the parentheses. And then D says 3A and AA are called like terms because two or more variable expressions that have the same variable add or subtract the same variables. And an E is unlike terms such as 6t and 19m do not have the same variables in the expressions, and they cannot be combined.
Leanna Sanchez, you stole the show on that one. I don't know who's up for the challenge next. She set the bar pretty high for the first question. All right, Miss Sanchez, whenever you get a free moment, if you can, huh?
I said I got a screenshot.
Okay. Problem number 1. Abigail Torres, let's hear how your internet sounds today, young lady. Are we good today? Let's see what's in the chat.
Determine whether each expression is equivalent to 10 parentheses 18 plus 10s. Place a check in the yes or no box. Show all work to receive full credit.
Okay, question. We need to first get an equivalent expression. So what's 10 times 18? Because it's multiplication, right? So what's 18 times 1, Abigail?
10 times 18 is 180.
Okay, plus what's 10 times s?
10s.
Do we leave it like this or we add them up?
Leave it like that because they're unlike terms.
Beautiful. Now, what you have to do is you have to read the expression and tell me if it's the same as what's in red or different, okay?
Yeah.
So 190 times s is what?
190 times s is 190s.
So is that the same as what you just said?
No.
Okay, do the next one, 20 times 18s. What do we do there?
What we have to do is 20 times 18.
Uh-huh. What's 18 times 2? That's the easiest way to do it.
20 times 2 times 18
Uh-huh.
is 36.
And add a 0.
Which is 360.
So 360, yes, is that the same what's in red? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, look at B. Look at the next one. This one's easy. You have 180 plus 10s.
It's 180 plus 10s, so it's the same.
Good. And do the last one.
The last one is 10 times 18 plus s.
Uh-huh.
So
10 times 18 is 180.
Uh-huh.
180s. Well, plus s 10 s.
Are those the same?
Yeah.
You guys agree with her? Because Abigail and Leanna set the bar pretty high for
I
the.
don't agree.
You do agree?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, good. I hope so. So Abigail and Leanna set the bar pretty high for the first two questions. We've got to keep this bar
I
raised.
got the screenshot.
Okay. That's for part A? There's a part B. Part B, Adam.
I'm here, Miss Canala.
Okay, Adam, part B. Read it and do A, B, C, D, E. Very simple. If you read it and do it step by step, go.
Directions: use the distributive property to write the equivalent expressions. Show all work to receive full credit.
Please read A. Tell us what you think. Go.
A. What number is on the outside of the parentheses? It is 80.
Keep going.
What is the first number inside the parentheses? It's F.
Number.
Oh, it's 1. 3F.
There. Good go. Letter C.
What is the product of 80 and 3F? It is X. 24.
24 or 240F.
24.
Continue.
What is the 80 times X equivalent?
So what's 80 times X equal to?
80.
80X. Now, what is 80 times 3F? You just said it.
80 times 3X is 240.
And then you just said 80 times X is what?
80.
So there's the equivalent expression, Adam. Good job. The three of you so far. Mr. R is going to pick someone to do the next question in a minute once this is screenshotted.
Yeah, when I get this. Perfect.
Hold on. Let me. I got the screenshot.
You got it, Leanna?
Yes.
All right.
Mr.
So
Romero, you ready?
wait a minute, Mr. R. Hold on. Let me erase this,
Oh,
sir.
no, I'm waiting. I'm just making sure he's good to go. Can you answer the next one, yes or no?
Who's doing it?
Brandon.
Okay, Brandon. Read it and tell Mr. R in your class what to write.
Right, the area of the R's rectangular garden in square feet can be found by using the expression 2 times 2x plus 5y. Use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for the area of Mr. R's garden. Part A, use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for 2x plus 5y. So we're going to multiply 6 times 2x, which is going to be 12x. So then we're going to multiply 6 times 5y, which is 30y. And then after that, we're going to put 12x plus 30y.
Okay. So that's the equivalent expression.
Yes.
So far, so good. Don't worry, Leanna. We're going to go back to that. Okay. What does it say for B now?
Part B says, use your equivalent expression to find the areas of Mr. R's garden in square feet. If x is equal 3 and y equals 4, then evaluate the expression. Substitute the numbers into the equivalent expressions and solve. So then it'll be 12 times 3 plus 30 times 4.
Sweet.
So
Good.
we multiply 12 times 3, which is 36x. No, 36. And then so then we're going to multiply 30 times 4, which is 120. So then it's going to be 36 plus 120.
Which is?
What's 36?
Which is 156. square
Wait,
feet.
not 166. Try again.
No, 50, 67.
Oh, so the answer is 156. 156 is the area of
Mr. R's garden.
Mr. R's
He's
garden
really
in square
getting-
feet, right?
He's really aiming to get a garden, just letting you know.
Okay, just gonna move this up a bit. Okay,
Any questions on that one, guys?
so let me have
Any
Leanna.
questions?
Hold on, let's have Leanna screenshot this
Screenshot.
entire question. Leanna,
I got it. I screenshotted it.
some of them came in super early, so they already got a head start.
Mhm.
So they know the deal. So you're going to work on problem number 3 using the box method. You might only have to do like 2 answers. You might not have to do them all, but okay, so I'm just going to divide this into 4 parts. That's me. I know it's a little uneven. I apologize. A, B, C, D. Okay, you guys are going to do it. Take 3 minutes to answer this question. If you finish, move on to the next. When you finish, just move on, okay? I'm just going to set it up. Sure. Yeah, Mr. R. Okay, I'm just going to write these expressions here in the paper. You guys work. I'm just rewriting the problem on the paper. Use the box method, or you can use the distributive with the arrows, whatever you feel comfortable with at this point. Remember, you're multiplying. What is 18? I don't know what 18 is. Not sure what all this stuff is in the chat. I was trying to open up another tab, but you guys have a minute and 20 seconds left. I'm going to pull up somebody's notes in this class. I have an idea on whose notes I'm going to pull up. Let's see. Got about 30 seconds to finish. If you finish, just move on. Don't wait for me. Just wait to see the work so you could check. It's pulling up. It's just taking some time. Everyone needs to be behind that camera. All right, here comes someone's work. Whose? I don't know. Here it comes. David, make sure you're keeping up, bud. I don't see you. Let me see your head. There it is. Thanks, David. Oh, these are great. Oh, Abigail's. Okay. So let's see what Abigail does. So Abigail used the box method for letter A. Oh, this is cool, Abigail, what you're doing. 4 times 4A, she says, is 16A. The only thing, Abigail, what I would say is at the top of your expression, I would put the plus sign. In between the A and the 20B, I would put a plus sign there and then bring it down in between your 2 expressions. Like here. You see it? Yeah, there you go. And I would put it here where my cursor is. Okay, right there. Put a plus sign there, please. Good. All right, so she says that 16A plus 20B is not equivalent to 16A plus 24B. So she's going to do choice B, and then she's going to let us know. So she's writing 8 vertically, and then she's going to write 2A horizontally plus 3B. Guys, if you finish, move on, okay? So 2a plus 3b. 8 times 2a is what, Abigail? 8 times 2, guys. Somebody help her out.
8 times 2 is 16.
16, what variable?
A. So
Good.
16A, and then
16A.
3 times 8 equals 24. So 24B. They are unlike terms.
Good, they're unlike terms. So 16a plus 24b. Is that equivalent to what the question is asking?
Yes.
So good, you don't have to go any further. Stop there. A and B are done. The answer is B. Good job. Abigail, circle B, please, on your form.
Awesome.
So this is Abigail. Excellent. There's the screenshot for problem 3. Are there any questions on how Abigail did that with Leanna? No? Okay.
Screenshot of it.
Awesome. So you're going to work on problem 4. You're going to take 2 minutes and 20. You only need about 2 minutes. Again, you're going to use the box method to figure out which answer choice is equivalent to what they gave you. On your exit tickets, on your independent practice today, there is a bonus question where you have to see the answers. You have to put your answer. They're going to give you something like this, and you're going to have to put it like a parentheses question. This is called finding the GCF. The answer choices unravel to give you something at the top. Okay? So take 2 minutes and 20 seconds to do problem 4. When you finish, you can move on to problem 5.
Timer's on, Ms. Camilla.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to message you something, Mr. R, because I think there was a few missing from that email.
You guys have a minute remaining?
Mr. R, I sent you a message.
I got one message that says okay.
Wait, just wait, don't have to say it out loud. I'm going to tell you who. All right, let's present the workup. Here we go. I've got a student's work right here. Oh, this is cool. Look what Leanna did. Oh, I like it, how she put unlike terms. This is a great model.
Yeah, that was timed perfectly. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Leanna can, oh, okay, wait, Leanna, you're still working. So Abigail didn't finish yet. Okay, let me see. Let's try, let me see this person's notes. Let's be different and see what Emma's got. David, you're keeping up, bud, right? You're good? David, you're good? Okay. Because I'm going to pull up yours maybe in the breakout room.
I was finishing writing the other one, so I didn't get to do this one.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, wait, but hold on. So
Yeah, I have to finish this one.
you have to fix the 20 there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool.
That is 20B.
I'm going to write on here for number 4 for you. Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
All right. All right, David. David, can you read it and tell us what you would do, bud, for problem number 4?
The expression is 0.25 2d plus 11 represents the fine for a book that is d days overdue, which expressions is equivalent to 0.25 2d plus 1. So what I would do is that I would I'll put down 0.25 on the side and then put 2D and then I'll put plus 1.
Okay.
So now what I would do is that I would start
What do we do? What's 25 times 2? If you have 2 quarters, how much money you got?
0.50D.
And what's 25 times 1, sir?
25 times 1 equals 0.25.
So which answer choice matches what you just told us? A, B, C, or D?
B.
Beautiful job, David. That is how you do it, my friend. Got it? This was done by, let me write your name up here. This was done by David. Nice, David. All right. Liana, let me know once you got it, once you have it. Miss Sanchez?
Hold on. Let me get my camera out. All right, I took it.
Now, in your breakout room, you're going to do problem 5. You're going to work on the 2 independent. There's 3 independent problems and an exit ticket. So there's about 4 problems or 5 problems to complete. It is now 10:36. Everything needs to be turned in before 11:10. So that gives us 24. We have 34 minutes. It should not take 34 minutes to do the work, guys. So you need to participate in your breakout rooms. That way you can get your independent practice done because we have office hours today as well. Are we good? And if you finish all of that, you know you got IREADY. There's always something to do in this class. So we don't want to hear, oh, we don't know what to do. All right? Are we clear?
Yes.
All right. Let's see who we got going on in here today. All right, Mr. R. Gave you some interesting characters. You got Brandon and you have Adam. And I am going to give you, where's Kalani Roman? I just put her in here. Where'd she go? Okay. And I'm gonna give you Caleb, okay, Mr. R? So you have 3 really strong ones, okay? To help you out for the leaders for today. All right, let's get going. We should all be done. 11 o'clock, everyone comes back. All right, how we doing, guys? Good? All right. I'm gonna wait another second. You guys can start working on the problem. Problem number 5 on your own. The one that you have to write the expression. Okay, so this is the problem you're gonna work on. Emma, can you read the problem that they're gonna all work on for us, and then they're gonna do it?
Kayla wants to buy a ticket to see Beyonce and Jay-Z at Madison Square Garden. Tickets are $170 per person, and there's also 25 this service fee for ordering the tickets online. Oh, sorry, $25 one-time service fee for ordering the ticket online. Write an expression in terms of that representing the cost of N tickets online.
Okay. So what do you think we do?
We have to write an expression for 170 and 20.
So help me out, Emma. What should we write on your paper? Oh, I see you writing it.
Yeah.
Oh, put the $sign. Yeah, put the $sign. You got this. Good, Emma. Put the $sign in front of the 1 like I did in the model problem.
And then 75.
75 or 70?
Plus 25.
Okay, so let's see your expression and see if they agree with you.
Sure.
Wait, you're not typing anything. I only see a 1 here.
25N.
Let's see if they agree. Okay, so 170, what should go next to the 170, guys?
I think an N,
Yeah, put an N there. Perfect. And why that, Emma? You're correct.
because it says write an expression in term of N that represents the cost.
Good, Emma. Okay, Emma's correct. So Emma, now that you have your expression of 170 N plus 25, where the 170 represents how much we pay, right? You're going to pay that. I'm going to pay that. David's going to pay that. Abigail, Emmanuel, who else is in here? I think Leanna's in here. Natalie, Juliana, Maria, whoever else is in here, right? Plus,
I'm writing right now.
25 for the ordering feed online.
right, so it's 170 times the number of tickets we buy online, and then we have to pay a service charge on the computer because they're helping us do it quicker. Now, copy that expression that you wrote in blue and write it underneath the next question.
Okay.
Because it says use your expression to find the total cost of ordering 5 online tickets, correct?
Yes.
So you're going to recopy that expression.
Wait.
Just
No, because they erased up here when I was.
no, don't erase it. Hit undo. Here. This is
okay,
what you
found
had.
it. Undo.
Hit the undo button. Okay. Now, here, I'm going to help you. If I can copy this, let me see. I don't know if it's going to let me.
I got it.
Oh. Okay. So you're going to write that expression. Now, it says, now next to the 25, hit the space bar 2 times and put N equal. What number goes in place of N? So here you would write like N equals what? Like 5, like that, right? See what I did, Emma?
Yeah,
Can you write it in blue and then I'll take it away?
I did it.
I don't see it. Okay.
Okay.
N equals 5. Now go on the next line, right here where my thing is, and write 1, put the $sign. 170, and what do we do with the N and the 5?
You add it?
What operation is this? Look where my blue arrow is. Somebody help her out. What does that mean? 170N. Are we multiplying, adding? What are we doing? Dividing? What are we doing?
Multiplying?
Yep, put 170 parentheses 5, close parentheses.
Parentheses 5. Okay.
And then you're going to add the 25. Put plus $25.
Plus.
Now, what is next line, Emma, when you're ready? Now, here where my cursor is, what's 170 times 5?
170 times 5.
Use your calculator. You guys can continue on. You don't have to wait. Natalie, pay attention. 170 times 5. Come on. Help her out, guys. If you know it, help her out. I don't know why everyone's so quiet. You should help her out. Help her out. Help out your peer.
Equals 850.
So put the $sign and put 850. Good, Emmanuel. A $sign, 850. So 850 plus 25.
Plus.
Put the $sign.
25.
Equals
850 plus 25 equals 875.
So put equal $875. Nice, Emma. I'm just going to help you out over here. You write that there. So the answer, just because we're starting to run out of time, the total cost of ordering 5 tickets online is how much, Emma?
875.
There you go. Everyone take a screenshot. Nice job, Emma. Okay, you guys can work on to the next problem. This was Emma. This was Emma. Emma did that one. Leanna, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
All right. Now, we're going to go on to this question because this is the one you guys are going to need a little help on, I have a feeling. Part 1. Who wants to do it? Ms. Sanchez, have you gotten up to this one yet? Independent practice? Abigail, have you gotten up to this problem yet?
What you said?
Has somebody done the independent 5 and 6 yet? Part 1 and 2 yet?
No.
Okay, no? No. Who's in a breakout room? I'm so confused right now. Oh. So what are we in, guys? We're in breakout room 2. All right, so let's do it. Who can help me write the equivalent expression? Who wants to do it? Quick.
Did I do it?
Sure, Abigail?
Yeah. So what you have to do is put 14 on the outside, and then 6x, is it minus or negative?
It's a minus.
Minus 4.
Okay.
Minus 4.
Yeah.
And then what you have to do is 14 times 6, which is 84x. That's 84x. And then 14 times 4 is 56.
What sign goes in between this?
Minus.
Continue. Who wants to do the next one? This is the answer. Is it a like term or unlike term? Because I liked what Leanna was doing before.
It's an unlike term.
That is an unlike term.
Good, Leanna, why don't you pick up and do part 2 for us, please?
All right, it says 9x in parentheses 17 plus y. So we have to do 9x on the side, and then 17, and then plus I put the plus sign sometimes, and then y, plus y, yeah. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to do 9x, so 9x times 17, and you'll get 153x. All right, so then 9x, and then times y.
Yep.
That is, hold on.
You know this.
Isn't
9x.
That's 9x.
9x. Y. There you go.
So then we have to put the plus sign. Oh, wait, no, yep.
So what's the expression? What's the expression? Hello? 153x plus 9xy. Are they like or unlike terms? One more part.
Unlike.
Good job. Thank you. This is good note taking right now, just like this. Okay. I want you guys, Leanna, do you have this question?
Yes.
Okay. I want you guys to work on problem number 7 now. And I'm going to go check. Someone just came in. I got to let them back. I'll be right back. Problem number 7, you can present your screen and someone can try it. Give me a second. Hey, David. Sorry, I was trying to admit you and I was wondering where you went. You're going to come to my break.
Yeah, sorry about that.
It's okay. Can you hit join breakout room, bud?
Yeah,
All right. Can you come back now so you can catch up to speed?
yeah.
All right, come on. Come back. You're in breakout room 2. Do you know how to find that? Okay. All right. Let's see what we got going on. Abigail, you got problem 5 and 6, right? I mean, Leanna?
Yes.
All right, so we had to do this question. Who wants to try it? Who wants to read it? Because it is a little complicated.
I'll try it.
Go ahead.
All right. says Miss Canella wrote. Hold on. Yeah. Miss Canella wrote the expression below on the chalkboard for her class. She asked the students to write an equivalent expression using no more than one set of parentheses. 4 in parentheses 3x plus 5y plus 2z in parentheses plus 3 in parentheses x minus z. Alicia wrote 12x plus 20y plus 8z. 8, how do you say Ardelin? This is
Arden?
it?
Yeah.
Ardelin wrote 5 in parentheses 3x plus 4y plus z. And then Kayla wrote 5x plus 20y minus 5z. Sorry, it's a tongue twister for me.
I know, right? We'll just get better. Wait until you got to do all the work for this question. Just wait. Go ahead.
All right. So what we have to do is we have to put 4 on the side. All right. So 3x and then plus 5y and then plus 2z. All right. So 4 times 3x equals 12x plus 4 times 5y, that equals 20y, and then plus 4 times 2z, that equals 8z.
Okay, but we have a little problem here, Liana.
Mm-hmm.
What do we got to do with the other set of parentheses? We have 12x is the first set, plus 20y, right, kiddo?
Mm-hmm.
Plus 2z. And then we have to do 3 times x, which is what?
3x.
And 3 times z is what?
3 times z, that equals 3z.
So is it plus or minus here?
So
Oh,
plus.
okay. Plus or minus?
I saw plus.
3
Wait.
times negative.
No. It's minus because there's subtraction symbol.
Now, what can you do now? Is there anything that's like terms here? What's
This
like?
This is unlike terms because it's unlike terms because not all of the terms are the same. So like for example, 12, so there is 12x and 3x, yes, and there is 8z and 3z, but we have one more variable that don't match the others. It's 20y, and not all of them together are the same, so it's unlike.
We can combine the 12x and the 3x because the variables are the same, correct? If I hear you. Okay, so 12x plus 3x.
That's 15x.
Okay, do the y's. Are there any y's to put together, or we just leave it as 20y?
20y because it's not other variables.
Okay, so now talk to me about, let's change the color scheme. Oops, okay. So talk to me now about the z's. We have 8z minus 3z. How much is 8z minus 3z, young lady?
5z.
Is it plus or minus?
Plus 5z.
Now, this is the first part. So Leanna, this is called, we're gonna write here, this is actually called part. So there's part 1. There's like 2 parts to this. This is part 1 work. If you wanna just screenshot this and then put it up together, right? So this whole expression is 15x plus 20y plus 5z. So now we have to use that to figure out which one of the 3 students, if any or all of them, have an equivalent expression to the orange at the top.
All right. So the person that has an equivalent expression is Alicia.
Huh?
It's Alicia, yeah. Wait. No, it's not. It's what's it called? Kate.
Okay, let's do Ardelin. We know Azelia is not equivalent because it's 12x, which is, we got 15x.
Oh, it's Ardelin. It's Ardelin. Because look at her expression. 5. So when you do the box method with her expression, so 5 on the side and then 3x on top and then 4y and then z, it equals to 15x plus 20y and then plus 5z. So her expression is the same as 15x plus 20y plus 5z, sorry.
Do you guys see that? So the answer would be Ardalan, right? Do you guys see what she just did? Leanna just did? Does everyone see what she just did? Speak up if you're like, yeah, I don't know what she just did. I can't really see. Okay. Everyone good? Okay. So now this is actually the answer. This would actually be part 2. Okay. There you go, Leanna. Yeah, now that's good.
I did it.
Are we good, folks? I hope so. No one's saying anything, so I don't know what that means. I guess I can move on. You're not saying anything, so. All right, last question. Who wants to try it? This is what your bonus is like. Your bonus is going to be something like this. It's going to say, write an equivalent expression for something very similar to this question. So who wants to try this? Somebody we haven't heard from. Natalie, 9x plus 24. Let's do this together. We don't have enough room to write the box method, so we're going to do like this. What's 3 times 3, Natalie?
9.
And what's 3 times 24?
3 times 24
Yeah.
is 40.
After 71. What comes after 71?
72.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Okay, so is 72 the same as 24? Is the orange and blue thing? No.
What?
Is the orange expression 9x plus 24 the same as the blue expression 9x plus 72? Are they the same?
No.
Okay, so we're going to move on now. We're going to go down to the next question. We're going to B. We're going to use the distributive property. 3 times 3 is what, Natalie?
3 times 3 equals 6. 9.
What's 3 times 8?
24.
So is this red expression the same as the orange expression? Yes or no?
Yes.
I heard someone say yes. Okay, let's just continue with the other 2. We got, let's try this one. What's 9 times 3? I mean,
36.
yeah, and what's 9 times x?
9 times what?
9 times x.
9 times 6 is 54.
9 times x is 9x, and 9 times 3 is 20 what? 27, right? So that's not the same as 9x plus 24. Last but not least, so one more to do, and then you're going to do your independent work. 9 times x is how much, folks? Somebody. 9x, and then we're going to
9x.
9 times 2 is how much?
18.
Okay, so are they the same? Is 9x plus 18 the same as 9x plus 24? The answer is
No.
no. So therefore, the only correct expression would be choice B as in boy, B as in Bob, B as in boy, because they got the same exact expression, unraveled, where you found the GCF. Are we clear on that one? Leanna, will you screenshot this for me?
I got it.
Okay, so now if your notes are done, all you simply got to do is you got to turn the notes in, and we're going to go open up your independent practice now.
Excuse me, I'm posting all the notes together. That's why I didn't post
No
them
problem.
just
You do
separately.
it- No problem. Do what works for you, okay, Leanna? All right, independent practice is open. So you're going to do your class. Who could tell me what to put for number 2?
Alright, so what you're gonna put is so hold on, we have to do box method.
So what do we just,
Alright,
just
it says 14 times 6x, and that equals to 84x. So that B is the answer, or like the second one,
Good.
whatever. And then number 3, can you go down, please?
Yeah, hold on, let me just erase that. Okay.
And number 3 is Ardalan, because we already did
So
this
this
one.
Here, and we did that. Okay, so give everyone a second to write that down. Are we ready? Can we move on? Okay, everyone's shaking their head. Next question, we just did it. I'm not doing the bonus with you. You're going to do that on your own. 9x plus 24, we just did that. Who remembers?
The answer is 9x plus 24, so B.
It's B.
Or like, yeah, because B equals that, so.
I just want to point out, if you look at question 4, they gave you answer choices. Here, you're gonna have to write your own answers. You're gonna have a number on the outside with a number and a variable, with the plus sign and with the 2x. I'm going to give you an example. So if I ask you to unravel this situation, if I said 5x plus 20, how would you go about to tackle that? What can I divide both 5 and 20 by? What number goes evenly into 5 and 20?
4.
4 or 5?
5.
Okay.
4.
4 goes evenly into 5?
I mean, no. What? No.
5.
It's 5.
I can divide both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is what? 5 goes on the outside because that's the common factor. What's 5 divided by 5?
1.
1 or just D? D. Plus, what is 20 divided by 5?
4.
So would you agree that 5 parentheses D plus 4 is the same as 5x plus 40?
Yes.
So you're going to use this strategy I just showed you to do the bonus question. Are we clear? All right. So all you guys got to do is turn your notes in your IP. You have 8 minutes to finish. Please get to work. Leave breakout room now. Once you finish, guys, with your notes and you're independent, you can work on IREADY. It's 11:02. You have a few more minutes to finish up. Good work today.